guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 products from Amazon that I am currently loving. Now these are very random products, but all of these have turned out to be super useful. I think only one of them is like a home decor product. Baki sare products mein kuch na kuch amazing utility hai, and which is why I just can't stop using all of these. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's show you all the 8 products from Amazon that I'm currently loving. Alright, first up I'm going to start with probably my most favorite product in today's video, which is this room and linen spray. This is in the lavender variant and this is from the brand Aroma Fume. You get 100 ml of spray in here. Now this is a room, linen and pillow spray, which is basically self-explanatory. You can spray it in your room, you can spray it on your pillow, and you can also spray it on your bed linen. Now this literally is very relaxing. Okay, this is super relaxing. This is stress relieving, and this also helps you get better sleep. We've already managed to finish about half of this spray because both I and Vivek, we really love this. Okay, I mean, we just like to spray it during the night time and just after work. That relaxing kind of an atmosphere is what we want to create with the help of this, and I think it's really nice. Now this has lavender essential oil, but ये ना आपको कुछ अलग variants में मिल जाएंगे, like eucalyptus and lemongrass and peppermint. So it really depends on what you are inclining towards and whatever fragrance you like the most. You could of course pick that up. I'm a big lavender fragrance fanatic for fresheners, like room fresheners and all of that. So I went in for this one, but I think once we finish this off, which I don't think is gonna take too much time because we've already completed a lot of it. Once that is done, I think we're gonna try probably the eucalyptus one, because eucalyptus is another very relaxing kind of a fragrance, and a lot of, you know, salon and spas, they use those kind of fragrances. So I don't know why I didn't know about this before. Yeah, try this on, you guys. I think if you guys would like to come back from work or office or school or whatever, and just give your room that upliftment in terms of a fragrance, I think this is gonna do a great job. I really wish I knew about this before, but I did not. So this basically will cost you rupees 5.99. I think that's the MRP if I'm not wrong, but if you are lucky you might get this at a great price during a sale. Now the bottle literally says that it smells like a field in France. Oh my god, that itself sounds so nice. It is well known for its soothing properties. Lavender is great for balancing everyday tension, fatigue and stress, relaxing the mind and promoting restful sleep. You guys have to try this out. Alright, you guys, next up I have a kitchen product with me. Now this is a salt container. It's a wooden salt container and I love it. Okay, this gives my kitchen such a premium look, and I mean, of course, salt is something which we use the most, right? In cooking, salt is just so important. So it's always better to keep your salt and your oil and the jaggery or the sugar, your coffee, tea, all of these things which you happen to use the most in very aesthetic containers. That's what I particularly believe in. This has salt written over here on the lid basically, and it's completely airtight. I'll tell you why, because it has 2 magnetic things over here and over here, so it just closes like that. It's completely airtight, so not to worry about that one. And another thing which I love about this the most is that it comes with a wooden spoon. So I have salt in here right now, of course, but yeah, it comes with its own spoon, which I think is great and very convenient. So yeah, I think it's been a great addition to my kitchen, and I think the MRP is somewhere close to $7.79 or something. So I think definitely worth the money. Alright, next up I have something which is also very relaxing to look at, and it's also supposed to bring you good luck and prosperity. It's a home decor item, of course, but I happen to love it, and we have kept it near the entrance of our home, so it automatically gives you a very good vibe once you enter. So this basically is an evil eye wall hanging. Look how pretty that is. You have a circular evil eye out here, and then you have like many evil eyes on this palm kind of a shape that you see going on over here, and I completely love this. I think, like I said, it's a very nice wall hanging, and I think this costs 1000 rupees, but I got it very cheap. Like I got it for 279, which I think was a great deal. I really scored a great deal for this one. So we keep it near the entrance, like I said, and it brings a very, very good vibe. And this is the Turkish kind of a design that you see out here, which looks very, very pretty, very, very amazing to look at, and of course adds a lot to our home. Alright, next up I have a rechargeable candle lighter with me right here. This is what it looks like. Now I know it's not like a huge or a great discovery because a lot of people have been talking about this for a while. Even I have used this multiple times before, and all of those were from Amazon as well. But this one, I don't know why, it feels more premium and more sturdy than the others that I've used in the past. So I'm going to link exactly this particular brand ka candle lighter in the description box below for you guys, because Diwali is around the corner, the festive season is around the corner, and there are lots of birthdays coming up, so you're gonna have to light all those diyas and candles, and matchsticks are not always that convenient also, that sustainable also. So I think it's a great purchase. I think I completely love this one. So yeah, I mean, it's very easy to use this. So I think for your agarbattis, for your diyas, for your candles, it's going to be a great addition to your home. And it's of course rechargeable. Like I said, it has this USB port right here, and the charge lasts a while, a good while. So yeah, it's a great product, and I completely love it. Alright, the next two products are from the same brand. Actually, they are from the brand Herb Tantra. So the first one that I have is a muscle recovery roll on. Okay, like you can see this girl sitting out here, and she's having this muscle pull on her shoulder area, and she's working on her laptop. Now this is literally me. This is literally all of us. I mean, whoever sits in one position and works for long hours knows the pain. So I didn't even know something like this existed. Now why I purchased this is because Vivek has recently joined the gym. He's going to the gym I think from mid-August, and obviously when you just start out, you feel so much of muscle pain and muscle pulls and all of that. So obviously he was facing all of that. Now every time it's not really good to put those sprays, and हमेशा ऐसे massage करना with ointment, उतना time भी नहीं होता है, and technically उतना energy भी नहीं होता है कि आप उतना कुछ करो. तो I thought of giving him something which is, you know, super convenient to use and apply. So I got hold of this muscle recovery roll on from Amazon. All you have to do is, जहाँ पे भी आपको muscle pull है, वहाँ पे you just have to rub the roll on, and yeah, that's about it, and you're done. इसको बस आपको rub in करके छोड़ देना है. Nothing else that you have to do for this, which is absolutely amazing. Now this has some very nice ingredients in it. This has nutmeg, then this has lavender oil, this also has ginger, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. So it's made of pretty good stuff, you know, good clean natural ingredients, and this will cost you around rupees 500, but this has a lot of quantity in here. I mean, you get 30 ml of oil in it. So I think it's a really nice. It smells also really nice. I think predominantly it smells a lot of ginger. Yeah, I get a very ginger and lavender kind of a mixed smell from this. So yeah, I honestly didn't know something like this existed, and I'm sure ki most of you might not know about this. So after your workouts and all, I think it's going to be great for all that muscle pain and muscle pull. One thing which I would like to mention out here is that of course it's made of natural ingredients, so it is not going to be harmful for you all, but it might not be effective for joint aches or pains which are not caused due to muscle injury or muscle pull. So if you have any other kind of pain and then you rub this roll on, it might not be effective for you, it might not work for you. I just wanted to put it out there, and I just want to cite an illustration for you guys that Vivek had actually got a very bad shoulder and bicep में ना उसको बहुत दर्द हो रहा था, because he had worked on his biceps, मतलब bicep workout किया था एक दिन gym में. So बहुत ही ज़्यादा pain हो रहा था bicep area में, shoulder में. तो he came back, and I first told him that let me just give you a massage, and he said that no, you've purchased that roll on, let us just try that out. And I was like okay, and I just simply put the roll on his bicep area, on his shoulder, and you will not believe me, in 15-20 minutes he actually said that he feels much better. So I don't know if it's psychological or it really does something, I don't know, but yeah, it's really a great product, very portable as well, so you can throw it into your gym bag or you can keep it at home and use it after your workouts. Great stuff. Like I said, the next product is also from Herb Tantra. What I have with me is a roll-on. I love roll-ons, you guys. I think roll-ons are just so relaxing. I have used so many different kinds of roll-ons, predominantly जिनमें peppermint and eucalyptus होता है, and coincidentally even this has exactly those two ingredients, eucalyptus and peppermint oil. Now this one is called Migraine Go. So this is specifically for those very rotten, bad splitting headaches. Of course, we get a lot of those because of the sun. It might be because of stress. It might be because of overworking yourself. It might be because of dehydration. So headaches can of course happen because of multiple reasons. But I think same convenience के लिए, instead of reaching out to your झंडू balm or something like that and massaging, office में तो उतना possible नहीं होता है कि आप बैठ के massage करो. So very very handy, portable, easy to use kind of stuff. So I legit love this. And like I said, this comes with eucalyptus and peppermint oil extracts. So smells incredible, and of course we've used this during our headaches and really works fine. बस थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे forehead में लगा लो, थोड़ा सा nose में लगा लो, sniff it in a little and automatically you start feeling so much better. This one is for rupees 500 and this one you will get for around rupees 400. Both of these products from Herb Tantra are really good. I don't know why I have so much of Ayurvedic and natural stuff in my video today, but yeah, of course these have worked out great for me, which is why they are featuring in today's video. The next one that I have is another Ayurvedic product, but it's really amazing. This one is from the brand Sage Apothecary. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the brand exactly, but of course the products will be linked below, so you can click it and check it for yourself. Now this is a lavender and mint massage oil. Okay, this is what the product looks like. You get 300 ml of massage oil in this, which is like humongous. It's a very good quantity to have. This is of course in the lavender and mint variant. You have a lemon variant, you have an orange and jasmine variant, and other variants also, if I'm not wrong. This helps you relax and feel very rejuvenated, very I don't know, refreshed. This can be used of course anywhere, and I sometimes give myself a foot massage with this. Sometimes I give Vivek a foot massage with this. Sometimes he gives a massage to me with this. I think it's a great massage oil. It smells incredible as well. Yeah, so this of course smells like lavender and mint, but yeah, very refreshing. And I think sometimes post workout or post going for a walk or just like that, if you want to give yourself like a nice massage, if you want to use this instead of a foot cream, or after a pedicure at home you want to use something which will hydrate your feet, I think it's a very nice option to keep. I think this will last you for months and months because it has so much of quantity in it. Now this one I think costs around 600 or 700 rupees, but मुझे ये flat 50% off में मिला था for rupees 300. So I don't know what is the price right now on Amazon for this, but of course this will be linked below, so you can check it out for yourself. Next up is another kitchen product which I absolutely love, and it's also the last product for today's video. What I have is a bowl with me. Now this is a ceramic bowl set from Nastasia. I have got 4 pieces of this, so I got a set of 4. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's amazing, very good quality, very pretty as well. Now this is one design, इसके 2 bowls आए थे, and there's another design जिसके 2 bowls आए थे. I will of course pop a picture here so that you can understand. मैं पूरा set ऐसे उठा के नहीं लाना चाहती थी kitchen से, because I just might break some of it. I am clumsy like that sometimes. But yeah, these are really good quality bowls from Nastasia. I am a big fan of that brand, you guys. That brand makes such aesthetic stuff, like all their bowls, plates, I don't know, serving trays, toothbrush holders, all of it is just so pretty and aesthetic and useful. So these are like great because I love the size. Okay, you can legit have soup in this, salad in this, you can have your ice cream in this, dal in this, and because it's a set of 4 and it's just the 2 of us, so at this moment we don't need all 4 of them, but when we have guests over and everything, I think these will come in so handy, and they're so good to look at as well. And yeah, the primary reason why I ordered these is because I was getting like a great offer on these. So the 4 of these bowls cost 1500 rupees, but I was getting a flat 50, and I got these 4 bowls for 750 rupees, which means that one bowl didn't even cost rupees 200, which is absolutely freaking amazing. Alright you guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope you liked watching today's video and that you could find some gems in the video which you will be buying for yourself as well. Of course, no pressure, I will never force you to buy something, but I can tell you that all these products are super handy and very innovative kind of products which will of course change your life in a very nice way. Trust me on that, because I have literally got a lot of benefits from the massage oil, from the roll-on, from the muscle recovery roll-on, from the lavender room and linen and pillow spray. The salt container comes in very handy because it has its own spoon and it's airtight and it looks good. And of course these bowls, and the evil eye wall hanging also gives such a nice vibe to our home. So yeah, I really am glad that I could share all these products with you, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.